Christmas haul. We're actually going on vacation tomorrow, so we had to open our gifts early. So grateful for everything I got, and I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, I have everything pretty much organized, so we'll start with shoes. So first, I'm so excited about these. I got the Birkenstock clogs. Oh my gosh, I'm actually obsessed with them. I just love my Birkenstock so much. So like, I feel like this is like a perfect fall and winter shoe. All right, next we got some Adidas Sambas. So we got the cheetah ones, which I think I haven't seen people wear them on TikTok, which I'm kind of surprised by. I'm so obsessed with them. I love the cheetah. Okay, next we got a pair of Yeezys. I'm so surprised by these because I did not think I was getting them. But I love my Yeezys so much that I have. They just have like a big hole in them. So I got these ones. They're gorgeous. And then I was so excited when I opened this. Oh my gosh, you guys are not ready to see this. Look at this watch my mom got me. This is gorgeous. I'm just so obsessed. It's my first ever real watch. Okay, next we'll get into all like the skincare, makeup, all that stuff. I got the Laneige water sleeping mask. I used to have this and I ran out of it and I've been missing it. And then I got the Rhode Pocket Blush. I'm so excited. It's actually so teeny tiny and I got it in that color. Then I got Summer Fridays Pink Sugar, Vanilla Beige, and the Hot Cocoa one, which I'm so excited to try this one. Then I got a new Refi brush because my old one was getting super crusty and literally like the plastic on it was breaking. And then my dad got us all new birdies. So cute. Then I got, this is my favorite face wash. So I got a refill of that. I'm so excited because I'm literally running out of mine right now. And then I got this Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. I literally opened this and put it on while I was opening my gifts. But I've been wanting this for so long because I've never like tried a lip liner before, so I was excited when I got that. Okay, then I got the To The People Kale Cleanser. I'm so excited to use this. I've been wanting to try it forever. And then I got the Say Sun Melt, which I've been wanting to use for a while, so I'm excited about that. And then the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. This actually came with the case, but it wasn't my size. Then I also got the Summer Fridays lip oil, which I'm really excited to try. And then for more like hair stuff, I got the MEJ. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. The claw clip, it's so cute. I always see Natalie and Greta like always wearing these. They're so cute. I'm so excited for that. And then I got the MEJ. I love this. It's so cute. The hairbrush, I literally already used it. And then I got the Way hair mask. Also used to have this and I just ran out, so really happy about that. And then I got the K18 leave-in hair mask. This is literally my saving grace. I love this so much. And of course the Color Wow Dream Co. I love this for like anytime I'm doing anything with my hair because it has heat protectant in it. And then I got the Oribe Gold Lust hair oil. This stuff is actually insane. I love it so much. Moving on to clothes, I got the Skims like 3-in-1 pack of these tank tops. Let me show you guys the leopard one. It's actually insane. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm obsessed with that. Then I got just some wide leg sweatpants from Brandy. All my sweatpants are like getting super small on me, so I was really excited about these. And then I got a cute little Abercrombie camo set. I am surprised that this was in stock, but I was so excited when I opened it, especially the hoodie because they're always out of stock. But here's the hoodie, so cute. And then I was surprised about this. My mom picked this out herself, but she got me the Free People set that like everyone has. I'm probably gonna wear this to the airport tomorrow. I love it so much. And then here's the top. It's so cute. And then also from Free People, I got this little shell crew neck. It's so cute, like for the summertime. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear that. And then from Brandy, I got this little white top. It has like ties on the side. It's so cute. And then from Lulu, I got this bra. And then this bra, these are like my favorite bras that they have there. They're like so soft. And then another pair of these wide leg sweatpants from Brandy. If you can't tell, these are like my favorite sweatpants ever. Then I just got like this bra from Lulu. And then from Free People, oh my gosh, this might be one of my favorite clothing items. So cute. Like this little cardigan for the winter time. And then from Define, I got this zip up. I'm so excited to wear this to work out. I love Define. All my workout clothes are from there, so I'm so excited about that. And from Addicted, I just got this little off-the-shoulder top with little bows. I'm excited to wear that. And then also from Addicted, I got this tube top. I love it. It's so girly. Okay, this is one of my favorite clothing items also. This Hollister long sleeve, everyone needs this. The fabric of this is insane. I'm so excited to wear this. I love my off the shoulders in the summer, so then I got this from Brandy. And then my mom literally picked this out from Brandy herself. So cute. I was so surprised when I opened this. And then my mom, she's just going crazy this year. She picked this out herself too. It's a little PJ set. It comes with these little shorts. And then this top, which I feel like I could also wear this top like out. I don't know, you guys tell me, but I'm really excited about that. And then from Define, I got a little navy set. And then here's the top. I haven't seen this style before, so I'm excited to wear this. And then my mom also picked this out herself. It's a TNA Aritzia long sleeve. I've been really into my long sleeves. I'm really happy about that one. And then from Addicted, I got the like jersey shirt. I've been holding off buying it for so long, so I'm so excited that my mom got this for me. And then I got Addicted ribbon pants. I'm obsessed with these. I cannot wait to wear them. And then another Brandy off the shoulder. I love these for the summer because they're so breathable. And then a Victoria's Secret PJ set. These are the best PJ sets ever. Okay, now into like the miscellaneous stuff. I got a chicken shredder for my apartment. I'm so excited to use this. I was literally talking to my mom about it, about how cool it was, and then she got it for me. And I got an ice maker, which I'm so excited to use because I'm such an ice person and I'm too lazy for the ice trays. Okay, and then last but not least, for my big gift, I got the Sony a6400. I'm so excited to use this. I have been wanting a camera for so long, but here's what it looks like. It's actually gorgeous. Like, this is actually insane. So you best believe I'll be taking this on vacation and taking some insane pictures. But yeah, guys, that's all for my Christmas haul. My parents really outdid themselves, and I'm so grateful for everything that they got us. But I hope you guys liked my haul. Bye, guys.